Hi, welcome to another Guns Contractors video. I'm on the iDig stand at Balmer 25, and one of the most frequent questions I get asked is how accurate is iDig? Can you really trust it? And I just wanted to show you in the quick basic way that we can here just how good it can be and how much you can try and confuse it, but iDig still keeps a touch on your bucket and where it's at in live time. So we'll start with a nice simple grade here. So we're going to put the bucket on this edge of this box, and I'm just going to bench it at 0. And at 0 here, everything's level, nice straight boom, it all makes sense. Now this machine has a tilt bucket. So what we can do is we can crank the bucket over. You can see that it automatically snaps to the lowest point, so I'm not taking too much beyond grade. I can then put my bucket back on. 0. Not bad. But let's really confuse it, because now with this Connect system, we can be fully agile and swing the boom, and iDig will know where you are in real time, even with the boom offset. New feature for 2D Connect. Hold her on the edge within 10 centimeters, 1 centimeter. Within 1 centimeter, that's not bad. They say iDig is plus or minus 10 mil. I've found in a lot of situations you can actually do better than that. But you can see how it doesn't matter if I move the bucket around, it still has a track on where that is. So I can even hold it different positions. It knows exactly where my bucket is in real time, and I can crank her over to all sorts of positions, and iDig will track whichever end of that bucket is the lowest. Back on 0. I don't think that's bad. So if you can grade that well with the sort of stone that we grade to and the machines that we use, I think it's perfectly accurate enough for us. Yeah, it's been great for my business. Anyway, it's time to go to work. Catch you in the next one.